Hello and welcome back to my channel, Own Chef. Today we are going to make Kaklo, one of Ghana's most popular snacks, and to do that we are going to use overripe plantain, not just ripe like this one. So we are going to move this away and work with overripe plantain. So you cut your plantains and you mash them in an earthenware bowl like this. Anything you can mash them in. It is already soft, so you don't require a lot of energy. You just need to mash them, and once it's mashed like this, not too smooth, you add in your blended ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, and calabash, nutmeg. Once you add this pepper mix, you mix thoroughly to ensure that all the spices is evenly distributed in your plantain mixture. Add some salt, add flour, and mix thoroughly to make sure the flour is evenly distributed, because it is what is going to hold the kaklo. Add in some oil to a pot and make sure it is hot before dishing in your plantain mixture. You can do this with a ladle or your hands. I prefer to use ladle because it's easier to control and for presentation's sake. Now you have to turn them every second to make sure that it is evenly cooked and fried in the oil. Put it on medium heat so that it does not burn so easily. Once you achieve this consistency, your kaklo is ready and you can take them off the fire. You can have this with cooked soft beans or rice, or have it alone as a snack. If you've watched up to this level, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.